Hi everybody, zurifx here. How's everybody doing? It is a bit of a mess going around the world, but I am still trying to practice and keep my face painting up to date. So let's do some face painting. Today we're going to do something cute. We're going to do a bunny, something that covers the nose, the lips, and some ears. We're probably going to change it up a little bit, but this is just the gist of what I'm going to do. Hey everybody, okay, we're going to start with a flat brush, and I'm using a split cake out of the Krazefx palette, and I'm making my rabbit ears, or bunny ears, and I'm using the same split cake for my nose. Going ahead and putting the pink on the outside and the white on the inside. Okay, then I'm going to do my lips, and we're going to do the pink on the outside and the white on the inside, and this is all same brush. Now I'm doing a double dip load. First I'm putting white, then now I'm putting pink, and at the end I'm putting black. So it's like a triple load brush on a petal brush. So I'm putting the petals right in the middle of my forehead and a little bit on the side, and putting some petals right next to my eyes. And little swirlies made with a plum wine color. Next, I'm doing some white teardrops on the middle of my forehead and keeping room for my gem I'm going to put on. Some teardrops on the side and on the other side as well. And don't forget the teeth. So I'm using my round brush to put on my teeth. Also used a round brush for the teardrops as well. Can't forget the dots. I think every design I do, I put dots on. So going ahead and put a little bit more design on my design. Alright, now I'm going to take my bling, which I personally made myself. Go ahead and peel it off and stick it right onto the open space. Just like that, and it is nice and sticking. Add some glitter, of course, on the cheeks, the nose, the mouth, and the ears. And I'm all done. This is my bunny princess. Make sure you subscribe and like. Everybody have a great and safe night. Over and out. zurifx. Bye!